Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to enable or trade option on Robinhood. In order to enable trading option in Robinhood, you need to follow the steps. So first of all, what you have to do is go and log into your Robinhood account. When you're logged into your Robinhood account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So first of all, you have to make sure to fund it. In my case, my application isn't approved, so I cannot do certain activity. My account is limited, so likewise my features are limited. So what you have to do is when you're logged in, then adjust your account settings under the investing tab, or you could just go to the account section and then you can select settings. After that, you could go ahead and select account settings, and here you could find out all of these. So what next you want to do is here you need to answer the questions about option trading and your preferred permission level. So when you locate option trading, you could do it. So likewise, I mentioned earlier that my account is that I have a limited feature. Then you need to select the options, search for the stocks like EFTs or index you want to trade, select the name of the stocks, whether it's EFTs or index, and select trade options. Now you have to go ahead and use the option strategy builders to choose strategies, and to buy an option, click the ask, and sell an options, click the bid button. You also need to be aware of the risk, so hold your expirations can result in a max gain or loss. Now if the option expires out of money, it will expire worthless and be removed from your account. So this way you could enable trade option in your Robinhood. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.